Hi guys, this is Joshik here, and for today's video I'm going to have the full review of our W26 Smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video we're going to have the full review of our W26 Smartwatch. I have used this smartwatch for over a month, and all I can say is that it's really reasonable for its price. So let's start first with the screen. So the screen, it really looks premium, and it is also easy to touch. So it is responsive, guys. So unlike the other smartwatch that we had, it has also the different features that we need, especially temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate. Yes. And with its look, guys, so sometimes it can be mistaken as an iWatch. Yes, so it really looks premium, and for the strap it is also looks good. And now let's talk about with the battery. If you connect it with your smartphone, it will only last you for a day. It's because it will really consumes the battery. And with the charging connector, it's really working, guys, so you don't have any problem with that at all. Yes, and so those are the positive things about this smartwatch. And my only concern is this one, guys. So this gesture here, which is the wake up gesture. So sometimes it is really not working well, and whenever I try to flip it, it will not really wake up, so it can be sometimes really bothering. And also it doesn't have those flip to flip to wake and also flip down to lights off. There's no function with that, so in my case I just prefer not to turn it on. So whenever I look at the watch, so I just click this crown here and to check the time. Yes, but you can set the screen timeout on the settings, guys. So in my opinion, guys, so after using this one for over a month, I can say that for the price it's not bad at all. So you can already get a decent smartwatch with a premium looking and also with an affordable price. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.